Nti ebusia yendi nkomo emfanfa Apostle Kojo Safo ho. I emeritus engineer Apostle Kojo Safo. After ni death no, ebusia den ekoso ewa ebusia ne mu. Am say eyiye no ene dotidie hu nsem no. The way nkomo ne si kono kire say honorable Adwoa Safo ebusia the way nkomo ne kire say odi nkunim. Uhwe the way steps no esi ekopa dia na kire say honorable Adwoa Safo edi nkunim ewo eyiye no ho. Ena ne nua kuma ya if an Safo akofena Kojo Safo junior ebusia say senior man edi nkukuo na yebekom ne edi nkomo ne ye ne ahwe the way aniama no esitie ewo ebusia manso a ehya ase any date ni ade a akoso ewo Ghana ha Ghana fodo na kasa na ebom no say niema bi koso a say eyiye ne de honorable Adwoa Safo na say eyiye no abusia wo beye mesrew subscribe like me video no na share na comment on the story. I am more fee na me notification icon so say na more times ye the story ba ye the video ba ubenya click onya bia hwe na onya bia ti na wo de wa asem no ya na si koso e wo Ghana abuzia ye nkona fi ye din komo Apostle Kojo Safo last year September na 7 papa talk form na what talk form no na yiyo hu nsem akoye problem e wo Ghana. The firstborn honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo and in control of everything. Nemo no ni nua kuma Kojo Safo junior do na fa na akofuna ono nso aginemu ono nso wo bo ne homo de se baza eye ne de ono a na ye bema ono ebusuafo be kambom na wo ma she date eno nti me nua kuma ya other me screen sesui ene ebusuafo ne bi e kambom mu ama wo ko say date sanya me ya doma ni papa na yie no wo mo be no 25th June busumi ya ewo mi ya 25th June na eyie no ebetumi abaso na sa date ni beto odwa no anche ena Sarah Adwoa Safo honorable anso ene ebusuafo ni bi ene enuanom ni bi anso ko sia wo faako anso ko say date say Dote yie no na me adoma 30th July ena eba eno nti se what date bi say 25th June na se ebi mu asesa date na enye no kore enye sa date no ena yie no eba so ebuzia me say se woko Chrome Google na woko bob Apostle Safo ni funeral data eyiba no 30th July na chese Google kwa aja tum ze honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo se be ye no na almost 30th July ena wo be ye no ewo importer gomo importer na me ya doma 31st July no omaba Independence Square abeto so na fe 8th August Thanksgiving no so akoso ewo Kumase onu the venue no enya mae eno nti the way nkomo city na busia say Adwoa Safo na em so bedi na nkomo ena akofa ba on the 2nd 26th of February 2025 ebusia Adwoa Safo ya me no kan ya oye firstborn edema Apostle engineer Kojo Safo no omo si no as the leader se papa ni wa on na be wo na nkomo na akofa sa de na akoba 26th February 2025 she was chosen to be the leader of the family if Apostle engineer Safo eniwa Adwoa Safo and omdisi akonya so. And after this ceremony and Okotro said over the weekend I was honored by my dad Apostle Dr. John McCarthy Kojo Safo and the leadership of the Christ Mission Church Mission as the leader of the Kantanka family where last year or say to the church and family this is an honor I do not take lightly, and I promise to faithfully discharge my duties and responsibilities dutifully. I take this opportunity to thank my dad, Apostle Dr. Kojo Safo, for this special honor done me, and I assure him that the light he has ignited in Ghana and Africa will continue to shine bright for all to see. Together with the leadership of the church and family, we will work together to ensure that your legacy lives on for generations to come. Abuzia, so this was the statement. Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo and so ekoye wabra yefano as the leader of the Kantanka family if his father is not around. Obian komone kono. Internet say Safo akofuna the junior brother to Honorable Sarah Safo no. Ono to wonu say ono so ye bema anu to ono so betime she date ayeye. Abuzia komono I mean say amfana fan because most of the people, the prominent people in Ghana, are siding with Honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo. Ono ena omode no eko. Demsia a year no ehun komo astarte boba you see am no ka say invitations spread the invitations no eguso ekoso na invitation na Safo Kantanka family aya wo de invite amanfo no afia anu esi na efe efe no platinum invitation uhwe nyama wo de ekona iPad edem gold plated invitation papa enso dem na ebedu hu sem meba na fe mi tell de cause o say iPad no contain the documentary papa documentary unya so iPad ne pe na starting eji edema ne works waye the history about the church agriculture and a funeral arrangement ni nyina egu iPad ne so and an hourglass represent the cycle of life with the champagne as a symbol of class enunti se utumi eye privilege na unya the platinum invitation for your papa emeritus engineer apostle Christopher we and a ubenya edi standing as an invitation for the funeral because na me at 30th July and then that Dr. Bawumia agene invitation amako invite no for the funeral ebusuafo honorable Sarah Safo ene enwanum na aka ne nyina na ebusuafo ne bi ene call ya omkoma Dr. Bawumia invitation na yenhwe the way aniama esiko abra omkodu Dr. Bawumia ne fie
former vice president obi ni ya papa no baba to one year papa no go nim ne makra obeka se bi the first one and am odo any ayon fa e wo but what we your platinum invitation card. Now platinum invitation card now. We need your consumer share to be so kakra at your show. But what the first thing that also I invite to is an iPad. When you Mr. Digital, you know, if you're at the wall. But you know, will be an iPad as well. The documentary so almost about we have a year and one step. But a year and one step that share information about the funeral and the venue now you pay also. But you will also need yourself. You need some champagne. Yeah, because we are because we don't see a day come or any assume. And also, if you are the sound of hourglass, which symbolizes life of our great father, spiritual, and then Oma any of the Siabaya, near represented official invitation for late father's funeral. You better know on the 30th of July, one quarter, Bibia, my papa, in the castle in Fiji, then the 31st, which happens on a Friday.
Abzia inti honorable Sarah Adwoa Safo any enuanom ne bi junior Safo mo and akamboma invitation no I started prominent people in Ghana na say kunim ni de omedi eye no de 30th July 31st July and after 8th August 2026 and after a year no eba so nyam say 25th June date na other squad no share ne de emza tonsium ne we enkomo no ekono atonsium nti after Bawumia invitation enra ene beto dwa say busuafo no asa kopie mo ewo Akwamuhene what I say in the eastern region of Ghana an invitation and command or de no ho kwafo akoto a otoso miensa ono so ensa aka ne invitation kama anyame ya toma July 30th eye na eba so ogomu ampota no ono so enne ni monyam rabe taji media nechi na bibia nso aye kama platinum no the way am command Dr. Bawumia no the same thing and na wo de command or de ne ho kwafo akoto a otoso miensa ono ena eye Akwamuhene ntono so invitation no and so etumi never the way community say invitation no a ekọ ni nyina 30th July 2026 and a year no eba so ɛno nti 25th June date a ebi mu ɛkɔhyɛ yɛ no date na yɛ den tia so ma me ato nsuo saa na nkɔmɔ no esi ɛteɛ mɛsrɛw obɛ subscribe a like a share your videos ni bi na afei wa comment on the story I am the notification icon so say na be am the stories bi aba obɛnya bi etie ɛwɔnya bi ahwɛ wo hu de we a nkɔmɔ no a na esi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana